Welcome to North Europe. Welcome to Finland, country of winter, snow, ice, and magic.
Welcome to my channel. In this vlog, I'm going to show you the beauty of North Europe, the beauty of nature in Finland. What is this? Whew. Whatever. Anyway, so still burning. So, as you can see, it's quite cold here, and so I want to show you the beauty of Finland. You are warmly welcome. But let me introduce myself first. I am Finternational, a traveler, explorer, content creator, and marketing engineer. I used to study, live and work in several countries during the last 2 decades. My roots are in Finland, but I left my mother country about 20 years ago. At the moment, my address is in Germany. Right now, I'm exploring Finland and enjoying wintertime here. Ooh, about 0 degree. It's a quite hard job. Sweating already. But fine. No problem. Let's continue. Here I'm pulling and carrying snow away from near buildings. Snow is actually frozen water and it will melt one day. So, well, we want to keep our yard dry. Sometimes snow is actually very slippery. Ei muuta kuin lisää. Yes, clean and snow is gone. It's quite cold here at the moment. Well, obviously it's winter, but I will show you something very, very warm. Let's go. So, this place is Sauna. This is almost holy place for the Finns. So 80 degrees, fantastic, good feeling after working outdoors and come to here to the hot place. Very good feeling. But well, I'm now in the hot place. Why not go again to the cold place? Let's go. Outdoor temperature is somewhere, well, -3 degrees. So this is typical Saturday ritual for the Finns. Or maybe not. You don't need to shower. You just have to come here. Fuck you. So, that was the one way to enjoy the sauna and sauna break. But here is the other one. The best part of the Finland. Welcome. This is city of Jyväskylä. I'm here to meet some of my best friends. And then back to close to Helsinki, little bit flying with drone. So this one is actually frozen lake. You can walk on the ice. It's not very strong yet, but later, let's say in February, you can drive on the ice with your car. No problem. Finland is known as the land of the 1,000 lakes. Well, actually we have 180,000 lakes, and more than 10% of the Finland's total area is covered by water. And also, Finland is the forest country. So actually the most heavily forested country in Europe. About 75% of the Finland's total land area is covered in forest. So now it's 3 o'clock afternoon, 3 p.m. and it's got dark already. The winter time is interesting. The day is very short. Actually we have daylight only about 5 hours here in the South Finland, while in North Finland there is no daylight at all. But anyway, during the summertime it's upside down. We have almost 24 hours sunshine here. See you again. By the way, please remember, like, share, and the most important, subscribe to my channel. That would be very nice.